My friend Dick is holding the new Durafly Spitfire 5 or K5, and I'm going to demonstrate the retracts at this point. Back down. Now we'll zoom in on them a bit more. Next I'll have Dick rotate around so we can see the flaps a little better. They are split flaps on the Spitfire, and they have three positions. They start up, that's halfway down, that's all the way down. We'll zoom in, halfway, up, halfway, full down, and those are the retracts and the split flaps on the new Spitfire. The yellow tips on the prop give a nice visual on the prop is spinning, and we can see the port red light and the starboard green light, and there's a white light on the top of the fuselage behind the antenna. And there she is, ready to fly.